How to attach a PDF in Drake software. Open the client return in Drake Tax software and wait until the main data entry screen appears. Look at the top menu and click the Documents option to access document management features. Select the option that allows you to view or manage client documents stored with the return. Choose the Attach or Add Document option from the Document Manager window. A file browser window will open on your computer screen. Navigate to the folder where the PDF file is saved on your computer. Click on the PDF file you want to attach to the client return. Select the Open option so the file loads into the Document Manager. Review the file name and confirm that it is the correct document for the client. Save the document so it becomes part of the client's electronic file in the system. Close the Document Manager after confirming that the PDF is successfully attached to the return. Return to the client file and continue working on the tax return as needed. Thank you for watching.